More important than all the environmental pollutants and the climate change conversations, which themselves are very serious, are spiritual pollutants, which we remain unaware of. This is because they are the cause of the actions people take that lead to environmental pollution. Spiritual pollutants, for example, can be any thoughts or actions that violate divine laws and universal principles meant to ensure long-term well-being and flourishment of all existence. Impure conditions of spirit, that is, all forms of negative attitude expressed in thought, word, and action in daily life by people, families, collectives, are cleansed due to the great love at the source of the universe for the preservation and advancement of civilization. One example of such cleansing is earthquakes. Last August, I felt 2 earthquakes in Los Angeles, both of moderate magnitude. I felt them strongly and prayed to offer gratitude for our homes and centers remaining safe, as well as life and property, and apologized for deep spiritual impurities that necessitated cleansing through earthquakes. What do these prayers mean? We are used to thinking on the mind-body plane without even realizing it. We think deeply and in great detail of the physical causes of phenomena and how to respond to them. We have forgotten how to go deeper. Beyond the material level of awareness, which is the horizontal aspect of existence, is the vertical plane of spirit. As such, we human beings are meant to perceive it and know it as the origin of the horizontal one. We can train ourselves to elevate our minds and spirits to achieve purity and clarity. This will allow us to perceive these truths and realize deep meaning in daily life events, including environmental cleansings such as earthquakes that are on the rise with climate change. When we can perceive the spirit first, mind next, body follows, or the physical follows principle that governs all life, we can once again realize deep truths in daily life and live in harmony with them. To do so, we practice the art of true light and the divine principles, even though we are far from being saints and sages. In this way, we can integrate this highest dimension of awareness in our daily lives. As we do so, we revive our true nature, which at its core is itself divine, and become the stewards of the earth and civilization we are meant to be, little by little. Thus, cleansing is good. It helps us uncover our highest awareness. We can embrace it by cultivating this highest awareness, which will allow our minds' deep abilities of perception and understanding to grow. In an earthquake, the tectonic plates that rub against each other release pent-up tension in the Earth's core, and smaller earthquakes reduce the need for larger ones. By changing the deep, innermost attitudes and vibrations that we have deep inside toward earthquakes, we can express gratitude for them and for the small and medium ones. We can also offer apology for the impurities that necessitate cleansing by participating in the spiritual reformation of our awareness, by giving and receiving light to purify the spiritual, mental, and physical condition of others and ourselves, pets, homes, nature, technologies, and all existence. With these practices, we can proactively cleanse ourselves and the planet. In this way, we can reduce the need for difficult cleansings for everyone, which will lead to the development of a kinder, vertically awakened and integrated, horizontally connected human family. In the face of any challenge or crisis, we have a tendency to look outside of ourselves to address it, to the physical world. We hardly pay attention to mind and spirit and the higher ground of energy, wisdom, and grace in our spirit. By turning to spiritual action, we can grow spirit-centered. Our awareness of this deep and common core will grow, and its vibration will elevate. In the depths of our own felt awareness, we will be members of one human family. Practicing the art of true light and the universal principles allows us to grow in this way. The power of this elevation, sustained by even a critical mass in our human family, will reflect in a peaceful, stable world in harmony with nature for all of us and the earth. The need for cleansings, large and small, will reduce and eventually cease. True peace and prosperity will have a chance.